Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Foundations today. We are going to do some practice with sight words. We're going to do something fun and different. We are going to play sight word tic-tac-toe. Are you ready to learn how to do it? Okay, so I chose 5 sight words for you. You, see, each, was, and his. Those are the sight words we're going to practice today. Remember, sight words are not words we tap. Sight words are words that we know by heart and are in our brain. We know how to spell these words in a snap. We see them in our books, we can recognize them and say them. And if we're asked to spell them, we can spell them correctly without looking. So this is great and fun practice. So let me show you how to do this activity. You're going to need a piece of paper and lots of writing utensils. You might want to get some colored pencils if you have, maybe some markers, crayons, anything that can make it fun. So here's how it works. Do you remember how to play tic-tac-toe? Let me refresh your memory. In order to win tic-tac-toe, you have to get 3 in a row. You can go straight across or back. You can go down or up, 3 in a row. Or you can go diagonal. You see that? There are lots of ways you can win in tic-tac-toe. So I'm going to demonstrate and choose which activities I'm going to do. You don't have to choose the same ones, but I'm just showing you how the activity works. So the first thing you're going to have to do is choose which activities you're going to do that are 3 in a row. So I decided I'm going to do this one, and this one. And when I finish those 3 activities, I will have tic-tac-toe. So after you choose the direction you're going to go, then you have to start with the first activity. My first activity that I chose is rainbow write the words 2 times each. So now what you're going to have to do is rainbow write for all these words. You can start with any color you want. You write the word as neat as you can in one color, and then you pick up another color and you write over that word as neat as you can. Do it as many times as you think you need to memorize that word. You're going to do that for each word. It's going to look super pretty after you finish. After you do that, you can make a little check next to it. Now I'm up to my next activity. Write the words with all capital letters. So now I'm going to go back to my sight word box and I'm going to start with the word you and I'm going to write it in all big uppercase letters as neat as I can. And then I'm going to do the same thing for see, each, was, and his. When I wrote all those words in all capital letters, I'm going to put a check mark and move to my next one. Write the words and how much each is worth. So now we have to count the letters and see how many letters are in each word. I'm going to start with the word you. You has 3 letters in it. That's worth 3 points. I'm going to write the number 3. Then I move to C. C has 3 letters in it. And I'm going to write the number 3. Then I move to each, was, and his. And I count the letters and write the number and how much they're worth. After I finished all 3 activities, I got tic-tac-toe. So, are you ready to try this activity out on your own? Get a piece of paper and lots of writing tools, and then choose which direction you're going to go in to get tic-tac-toe, and do the activities it's asking you for. Don't forget to upload your work to Google Classroom. We can't wait to see your colorful practice of sight words. I bet you guys are going to know these words really well after this fun activity. Okay, guys, we'll see your work on Google Classroom. Great job.